Hi, my name is Thomas Hoffmann with Hoffmann Machine Company, and this is our MS35SF double miter saw and routing machine. The Hoffmann MS35SF combination double miter saw and routing machine ensures precision 45 miter cuts and 1 or 2 keyways per corner in one sequence. It is designed to process workpieces up to a cross-section of 90 by 90 millimeters and stands for uncomplicated and safe working. After starting up the machine, the operator pushes the start button, the machine safety hood closes, and the saw unit travels down to cut and route the molding. The first cut is the so-called trim cut. Then each cycle provides a finished workpiece cut on both ends. Within the same sequence, the router heads process the pre-selected keyways into the mitered faces. On completion of the sequence, the material is released and can be taken out of the machine. The machine can handle various materials such as solid wood, MDF, OSB, WPC and plastic material. The number of keyways, 1 or 2, is selected and depends on the profile width and the desired corner strength. These 2 keyways may have different routing depths when using heavily detailed profiles. The position of the keyways in reference to the outside corner is infinitely adjustable. To start or stop the machine, the operator presses the on and off button on the control panel and sets the stop with a digital length measuring system. With 4 single clamping cylinders on each side, even a heavily detailed molding is held securely on the table. Depending on the size and profile pattern, these clamps can be activated or deactivated for perfect workpiece clamping. The material support ensures a perfect alignment of the bar length. Both routing depths for the first and second groove are infinitely and independently adjustable. The keyway position in reference to the outside corner is adjusted with an accuracy of 1/10 of a millimeter. We at Hoffmann only use top quality components for the electrical controls of our machines. Bosch pneumatic components stand for high quality and are available worldwide. The waste cut is removed via the chute on the right hand side of the machine. Safety is important to us. Here you can see the safety switch on the machine cover. Thank you for choosing Hoffmann. For further information, please visit our website or call us at any time.